Omkar,
Yes, sir.
congratulations, beta. You won the heart. You know, some good point about this student is you can imagine the level of throw he is giving in his mic. You know, generally ನೀವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಭಯ ಬೀಳ್ತೀರಾ ಹಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ, ಹಿಂದೆ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹಾಡ್ತೀರಾ. ಇವನ ಮೈಕಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಥ್ರೋ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಂದರೆ ದ ಸೌಂಡ್ ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರ್ ಇಸ್ ಸೋ ಕಂಫರ್ಟೇಬಲ್ ಟು ಹ್ಯಾಂಡಲ್ ಲಾಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಫೆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಟು ಯುವರ್ ವಾಯ್ಸ್. ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವೆನ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಸಿಂಗಿಂಗ್ ಯು ಮಿಸ್ ಒನ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್. You know, whatever God, the favorite God Ganesha, we are saying, all those photos were coming in the backside. If you'd see that and sing, I'm saying, telling you, you'd get tears. You know, really successful, just perfect. Keep it up. I'm very much impressed and I'm surprised that this is your first performance.
No,
You've done earlier also?
Yes.
Super. So 100% on track. We'll put you into the separate special group of rhythms wherein we give training. So he will be in that group henceforth now.
Thank you.
God bless you, beta. Very much impressed.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, thank you.
Thank you, Omkar, for that wonderful performance. It's time to welcome another young performer. Please put your hands together for Dhanvi D. Shetty from Vijay Center. She'll be presenting Samba Shiva, Raga Kamas, Tala Adi Tala. This devotional composition is a heartfelt prayer in praise of Lord Shiva and is admired for his energetic melody. Please welcome Dhanvi with the